All right, shifting our focus, it's that time of the year again. The annual Apple event has made waves as the company unveils its next generation of iPhones, or rather, new generation iPhones. Now, the iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, and iPhone 16 Pro Max, these are set to hit the shelves today. This year, in fact, Apple is also shining a spotlight on its new MacBook, now powered by the cutting-edge M4 chips. However, the star of the show, of course, remains the new iPhone lineup. The iPhone 16 and 16 Plus boast of a sleek design made from aerospace-grade aluminum and feature a vibrant color-infused glass back. Notably, the iPhone 16 Pro is priced rupees 15,000 less than its predecessor, the iPhone 15 Pro. Now, it's being launched at rupees 1,19,900 compared to the iPhone 15 Pro starting price of rupees 1,34,900 last year. Interestingly, the iPhone 15 Pro is still priced higher than the new model. Now, with enhanced efficiency and increased memory bandwidth, users can expect faster app launches, improved multitasking, and an overall smoother experience. Taking that across to Shrishti Atkare, my colleague joining us from Mumbai. Shrishti, bhai, good morning. Seems like where you're out there is nothing less than probably a technologically, if you're looking at it, a festival of sorts with such huge number of people who have turned up to be buying this phone. We're also looking at you very excited to bring us that report. So give us a quick sense of what all of them who are out there today are expecting from this new iPhone.
Well, of course, right now where I'm present is at the Apple Store at Jio World, and you can see in the visuals how much excited people are. Long queues since morning, since night is what we can witness over here. Remember, we also reported when this Apple Store launched in Mumbai, and that time also people were absolutely excited. And now you can see in the visuals the long queues. People are absolutely excited. The store is open from 8. And the store is open from 8 o'clock. And now, second batch is going inside. I'll ask the camera person to show the visuals. So some people are going inside and they are absolutely excited. We'll just take a word from them and understand how much excited they are. Sir, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? कब से रुके हैं यहाँ पे? How excited are you? We'll talk to a few other people. They are... sir, how much excited are you? कब से रुके हैं? How are you feeling for it?
मैम, मेरा नाम मोहम्मद शादाब है. हम लोग है ना रात में 10 बजे से यहाँ रुके हुए. बहुत मतलब मशक्कत करने के बाद अभी यहाँ खड़े हुए, तो वो जो खुशी है वो उससे आपको पता चल जाएगा कि
10 बजे से आप खड़े
रात में 10 बजे से यहाँ खड़े.
इतनी ज्यादा एक्साइटमेंट?
बहुत ज्यादा. ये आईफोन का क्रेज ही ऐसा है कि मतलब इसके लिए समझो ना कि कुछ भी हो जाए.
क्या क्या नया फीचर जो आ रहा है इसमें? कलर्स अच्छे हैं, कैमरा वर्टिकल हो गया है, क्वालिटी ये कर दी है, एक्शन बटन डाल दिया है. क्या एक चीज है जो आपको बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइट कर रही है?
मैम, पहली चीज तो ये कि ये आईफोन है और आईफोन का क्रेज ऐसा है ना कि फिर मतलब वो कुछ भी.
You don't look at the features, but you just look at the iPhone app for brand.
Brand.
And of course, that's the word. As he rightly mentioned, it's all about brand and not about all the features which iPhone, gives out. Of course, it's a statement coming in from the fan. We'll talk to a few other people also who are present over here. I'll ask my video journalist to show you the long queues as well. Excuse me, sir. Sir, how much excited are you? You're live right now. Since when you're standing over here?
I'm standing over 30 minutes here.
30 minutes over here. How much excited are you? iPhone 16, what are the features that are exciting you?
First of all, there's the camera. I'm excited about it.
An action button which they have installed.
Action button is I'm excited about this.
What about the pricing? What do you think about?
Pricing is very good, pretty good.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
As compared to 15?
As compared to 15, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which phone you're going for?
16 Pro Max 512.
Pro
Desert
Max
Titanium.
And which phone you have right now?
Fold 5 Samsung.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is your first iPhone?
Yeah, I'm switching to iPhone, yeah.
Great. So this is the person who is switching to iPhone for the first time. Of course, people are all excited. We'll talk to a few other people as well. Sir, how much excited are you? Since when you're standing in queues, talk to us about it. You're live right now. कब से खड़े हैं लाइन में? क्या लग रहा है?
लाइन में तो 2 घंटे से पहले से खड़ा हूँ.
ओके. कब आए थे? सुबह आ गए थे?
कल रात से आया हूँ.
अच्छा, कल रात से ही आ गए थे.
और घुमा.
कितने एक्साइटेड? आप कहाँ से आए?
सूरत
से आए हैं.
सूरत से आए हैं बस, और कुछ नहीं.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for connecting with us. So, of course, people are coming from far off. They are coming from Surat as well. Is that what we can witness at this particular place? Several and several other features, which is the action button. C2C, they have given C2C charging. They have already given earlier.
You know, Shrishti,
in iPhone 15,
I'm interjecting you over there because it's quite interesting to see on a Friday morning. Generally, you know, earlier when we would talk about these long queues, we would look at Friday releases at a theater, and then we would look at people standing to watch their, movie stars. It was very interesting to see how this, phone, the iPhone, like a lot of people are saying, it's not the features, it's perhaps the brand. It's a statement, and rightly so, which is why everyone's not only looking forward to the event first, then you look at what are the features, and then of course people line up in large numbers. Coming to you, as far as you're getting more reactions is what I'm picking up. So over to you back once again, as far as you're perhaps getting us another interesting voice. But Shrishti, if you can hear me as well, you were taking us through the key features of the iPhone 16. All right, somebody who's bought it. Yes, Shrishti, talk to the person who's just bought it.
Well, of course, I'll take you across. Yeah. Just bought it. I think he is one of the first buyers. Sir, क्या लग रहा है? कितनी ज़्यादा excitement हो रही?
बहुत ज्यादा।
कौन सा लिया है?
16 Pro Max।
16 Pro Max कितनी कॉस्ट पड़ी आपको इसकी?
1.5 लाख।
1.5 लाख को आपको।
हाँ।
इंश्योरेंस के साथ लिया है?
सब
सब
गिफ्ट में देने के लिए लिए है।
गिफ्ट लेने के लिए
इसलिए तो बोल रहा हूँ वीडियो
So this is a surprise which he has planned for somebody. That's why you don't want to show us him in the video. But of course, you can see the excitement on his face. Absolutely excited people. And of course, sir, एक और बात बता दीजिए. Action button इसमें लाया गया है इस बार. तो क्या लगता है?
बहुत ज्यादा प्रीमियम है।
बहुत ज्यादा प्रीमियम।
बहुत ज्यादा प्रीमियम।
जूमिंग का जो कैमरा क्वालिटी है बहुत ही बढ़िया वाला कर दिया है, पहले से बहुत ज्यादा है।
आप अभी कौन सा फोन यूज करते हैं?
14 Pro Max।
14 Pro Max। तो अभी आपने गिफ्ट के लिए भी लिया है और खुद के लिए भी लिया है?
बोलिए मुझे गिफ्ट के लिए लिया है।
Okay, so yes, of course, that's what we can witness over here. People have bought it and they are absolutely excited, switching from their 14 iPhone to 16 Pro Max. They are gifting it also, and that's the excitement is what we are showing you from the Apple Store in BKC. But of course, if you talk about the features, they have enhanced it. C2C charging they have given earlier. In iPhone 15, but this is absolutely important in 16 as well. They are, focusing on wireless charging. Also, the battery has been enhanced, is what the iPhone has told. Also, importantly, camera quality has been increased. Several other features has been given. Especially, people are excited for the action button, wherein you can just touch it and open the camera, and it's not just a button, but it has sensory, sensory option as well. So you can touch it, you can just swipe on it. So a lot of options, lot of features has been given, and importantly, colors are absolutely bling. In iPhone 15, we have seen that people were not really happy about the colors, as the colors were really dull. But now the colors are absolutely blink, and that's what we can witness with the craze of iPhone over here at the Geo store. And I'll ask my camera person to show across the visuals from inside the store of the people who have gone inside. And these are the visuals wherein the iPhones are placed. And I'll ask him to just zoom in, and he can show you around the different colors of the iPhone, which are really interesting for the people and the consumers who are absolutely excited for the iPhone series every time it launches. So definitely a lot of excitement from here in Mumbai. People are excited. People are in long queues to just buy. Sir, क्या कहते हैं? कितने excited है?
बहुत एक्साइटेड है मैम, और 16 Pro Max की लॉन्चिंग के लिए देख रहे हैं, बहुत सा पब्लिक आई है और इतने लोग लाइन में खड़े हैं।
कब से खड़े हैं?
हम मैम सुबह 7 बजे से खड़े हैं।
अच्छा, कलर्स काफी नए आए हैं इस बार। कौन सा कलर आप सोच रहे हैं?
डेजर्ट टाइटेनियम मैम।
ओके, डेजर्ट
जो न्यूड कलर आया है उसके लिए वही लेना है।
पिछली बार 15 की सीरीज में काफी डल था, तो अभी कैसे लग रहा है?
अभी ये थोड़ा शाइनिंग लेके आया। लास्ट टाइम जो टाइटेनियम बॉर्डर थी उसके करता ये बार थोड़ी ग्लॉसी बॉर्डर लेके
प्रीमियम लग रहा है।
प्रीमियम लग रहा है। फिर देखते अभी इन हैंड फील्ड अंदर जाके खबर पड़ेगी, यहाँ तो खबर नहीं पड़ेगी मैम।
पर आज लेनी आए बिल्कुल।
हाँ पक्का मैम, लेनी
तो
है।
ये क्या एक्साइटमेंट होती है कि बिल्कुल पहले दिन ही लेना है? क्या है?
सबसे पहले अपने को मिलना चाहिए ना मैम, अगर कोई के पास नहीं है सबसे पहले अपने पास आवे तो उसकी एक अलग मजा है मैम।
ओके। Thank you, sir. Thank you for connecting with us. So, as you rightly heard, सबसे पहले हमारे पास होना चाहिए is the feeling
Yeah.
from here is what we can understand. I think this person has also bought the iPhone. We'll just
Shrishti, in fact,
try and talk to him.
Right, talk to him, yes.
I think he has gone inside, but yes, tell me.
All right, Shrishti, what is very interesting is the way that you have also put things into context. I could be wrong, but it seems like you're also an iPhone user. But also you pointed out that the iPhone 15 didn't have great colors, which I don't agree with because I have one and I feel like the colors were nice. But talking about the difference of features in this particular year, a lot that people are looking forward to. We're also given to understand as far as the production is concerned. There is that Make in India initiative as well. Just for our viewers to better understand that, if you could draw things into perspective.
Well, of course, earlier also it was mentioned by the company that we are, initiating this move that we want to, make few things in India, as India is the largest market for iPhone, and that's what they are trying to initiate. And remember earlier when we have reported earlier from this particular place only, when this Apple store launched for the first time in India at this place in BKC, that was the exact pinpoint for the company to start their store in BKC so that they can cater the larger audience in India, which is absolutely a larger market. But of course, things are there, but excitement is absolutely path-breaking is what we can understand. See here, people are just sitting and they are waiting for their queues. We'll try and talk to a few more people as well. Sir, iPhone लेने आए हैं आप?
Yes, of course.
सामने आइए. कितने एक्साइटेड है, कब से आए हैं, कौन सा आईफोन सीरीज?
एक्साइटमेंट अब खत्म हो गई है.
क्यों?
सुबह से यहाँ पे आए थे, लाइन में खड़े थे. प्रो मैक्स लेना था, वो तो है नहीं अब.
ओके, खत्म हो गया कह रहे हैं.
खत्म हो गई.
Okay, it's already sold out is what we are coming to know. Pro Max is already sold out. Is little disheartened.
Yeah.
But अभी क्या सोच रहे हैं आप? कौन सा लेने आए थे? और कलर कौन सा लेने आए थे?
16 प्रो मैक्स नेचुरल टिटेनियम.
अच्छा, तो पिछले साल के कलर्स थोड़े डल थे, इस साल के थोड़े ब्लिंक कलर्स है, क्या कहना चाहिए?
वो 16 सीरीज में.
हाँ, क्या मतलब अच्छा लग रहा है?
कलर्स हाँ
colours?
अच्छे ब्लिंक अच्छे, नए कलर ज्यादा अच्छे.
आपके पास-
मैं तो एंड्रॉइड फोन यूज कर रहा
तो
हूँ.
अभी आप फर्स्ट टाइम स्विच करने
फर्स्ट
वाले
टाइम स्विच करने वाला था.
और सोल्ड आउट हो गया. लिटिल disheartened, but of course we'll talk to few more people who are here. They are having their breakfast also is what we can say here, because of course they are standing in long queues since morning. Sir, you're live. Please tell us
It's
how much
amazing to see the
excited are you?
dedication.
How are you feeling?
Very much excited.
कौन सा सीरीज लेने आए हैं आप?
16
कौन सा कलर?
Desert Titanium, of course, the new one.
Okay.
Yeah.
How are you feeling about this particular series as compared to the last series?
As usual, excitement level is very high.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for connecting with us. So, yes, of course. These are the voices from ground. Long queues, lot of people
Right,
waiting
Shrishti.
for their turn to get the iPhone. But of course,
Right, and in fact, that is another interesting aspect of a reporter's job. You get to be there on such events on a fun Friday, and we'll, of course, through you, keep getting those voices to find out what more that excitement looks like. But for the moment, Shrishti, we'd have to leave it at that. Thank you very much for joining us live from Mumbai to essentially show us how you can be divided by regions, but that one particular iPhone has united everybody today. Having said that, we're slipping into a quick break here on